If you're tired of stressing out, looking over your shoulder, worried you're going to get caught or fined just because you're driving around on a suspended license or maybe unpaid tickets, here is your chance to settle things and get some peace of mind. I'm Patrick Nolan.
And I'm Jane Monreal. In Lee County alone, 52,000 drivers have suspended license. So for this group, you can start over. Fox 4's Rachel Lloyd shares how Operation Greenlight can help you.
You may want to think twice before getting behind the wheel if you have tickets, and especially if you have a suspended license. Operation Greenlight is waiving fees to make it a little easier to pay what you owe. It'll also help you avoid even more consequences. More Floridians than you may think shouldn't be on the road. According to the nonprofit Fines and Fees Center, 2 million drivers in the Sunshine State have a suspended license.
Yeah, individuals with toll violations.
Kevin Carnes, the chief operating officer at Lee County's Clerk of Court, says citation fines are just the starting point. If drivers fail to pay that in a certain amount of time, collection fees pile on top. That's where his office steps in.
We're waiving the 25% collection fee. And so hopefully getting you back onto the road in a legal status.
Today they kicked off Operation Greenlight. You can log onto the clerk's website and schedule a phone or Zoom appointment to find out how much you owe. I asked him to look up my records.
I don't see anything, Rachel, so.
Well, praise the Lord.
Yeah, that's literally how quick it could go.
It's as simple as going on the clerk's website to see how much you owe, then calling them to make a payment.
Habitualization.
Attorney Lance Dunford says some things driving on a suspended license or pushing off traffic fines is worth the risk, especially if they're struggling to make ends meet. Some clients of his gamble between paying for car insurance or a utility bill.
Oh, that's the month I can promise you they're going to get pulled over.
He says your best bet is signing up for Operation Greenlight, but if you miss that window before it closes March 6th and cannot afford an attorney, Dunford says you're not out of options.
Anybody can go down to the clerk of court and work out a payment plan.
Lee County's clerk's office can only access violations in Lee County. Now, if you have concerns about violations in another county, you have to go to the state's Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles. You can find a link to their page on our website, fox4now.com. Rachel Lloyd, Fox 4.